Hello viewers, today you saw Snowplow Thomas with a Play-Doh creation on its funnel. You saw McQueen with little Play-Doh design on the wheels as well. Let's go ahead and show you how the wheels look. Now you can see the front side. Then you saw James with its tender, you saw Monty, and on Monty you saw Henry. Then you saw Troublesome Truck, and on the top of Troublesome Truck you can see a Play-Doh tree. And you also saw the big Mack with the hauler. And today I also want to introduce you a Lego train. So this is mostly black and red train. Here you can see the sideways, the front side, again the sideways, and the rear side. Alright, thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.